Okay, why does God care more about who we become than what we do?
Great question. Now you are thinking like someone who really wants to grow. This is where the story gets interesting, because Song of Solomon focuses deeply on love, connection, trust, and emotional closeness. Let's slow down and look carefully. This book is not mainly about rules, it is about relationships and the condition of the heart. This might surprise you. Healthy relationships actually shape the brain, emotions, and identity over time. Most people miss this part. Love grows strongest when trust, patience, kindness, and emotional safety grow together slowly. Here is the deeper layer. God cares deeply about who we become because relationships reveal what is truly happening inside the heart.
So, what does that actually mean?
1. This is where the story begins to unfold in a deeper way. Song of Solomon shows two people building trust, care, and connection. 2. Now we start to see what was really happening beneath the surface. Healthy love grows through patience and emotional honesty. 3. This part is easy to skip, but it matters. The book focuses more on character and connection than outward appearance. 4. Here is where growth quietly begins. Kindness and respect slowly strengthen emotional safety over time. 5. This connects directly to real life. Relationships often become stronger or weaker through repeated small behaviors. 6. This is the layer that shapes character over time. Love grows healthiest when people learn patience, empathy, and self-control.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes. First, your brain truly changes when you repeat small actions. Repeated kindness slowly strengthens emotional connection. Second, this is how habits slowly become automatic. Calm communication trains the brain to respond more safely during conflict. Third, emotions grow stronger the more we rehearse them. Repeated anger or criticism slowly damages emotional trust. Then, neural pathways begin firing faster and more efficiently. Empathy and patience become easier through practice. Next, repeated reactions shape identity without us noticing. Healthy relationships slowly train the brain toward emotional security. Finally, what feels small today becomes powerful tomorrow. Tiny moments of respect and kindness quietly shape lasting love.
How does this show up in real life?
1. Think about how this shows up in school or work. Many relationships become stressed when communication breaks down. 2. Notice how emotions often react before logic. Hurt feelings can quickly trigger defensive behavior. 3. Watch what happens when stress repeats daily. Emotional distance slowly grows when people stop listening carefully. 4. Small habits quietly create bigger patterns. Repeated kindness or repeated disrespect slowly changes relationships. 5. Modern life makes this even more visible. Phones and distractions often reduce meaningful emotional connection.
So, small equals big?
Yes. First, small steps almost always look unimpressive at the beginning. Even short moments of kindness may seem tiny. Second, repetition is what gives them strength. Daily respect slowly builds emotional trust. Third, steady practice builds quiet momentum. The brain slowly becomes safer and calmer during relationships. Then, what once felt difficult becomes natural. Patient communication slowly feels more automatic. Lastly, consistency turns small faith into strong character. Just like tiny threads slowly weave a strong fabric together.
So, how do I start?
Step 1. Pause and notice what is actually happening inside you, especially during emotional conversations. Step 2. Allow yourself to feel it without rushing. Slowing down helps the brain respond more wisely. Step 3. Choose one small action instead of waiting for a big feeling. Even one kind response matters. Step 4. Reflect gently instead of criticizing yourself. Emotional growth usually happens gradually. Step 5. Repeat tomorrow. Because growth loves consistency, small loving habits slowly strengthen relationships.
What should we do today?
1. Choose something simple, not dramatic. Encourage someone kindly today. 2. Start smaller than you think you need to. Even one respectful sentence matters. 3. Observe your reactions carefully. Notice how emotions affect communication. 4. Adjust without quitting. Healthy relationships grow through repeated practice. 5. Come back tomorrow and build again. Small acts of kindness slowly create deeper trust. Remember, healthy love grows strongest through patience, kindness, honesty, and steady faithfulness. God cares deeply about relationships because they slowly shape the brain, emotions, and character over time. Every small loving choice is helping your heart, mind, and relationships grow stronger and wiser. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.